Mr. and Mrs. Pileated Woodpecker have been busy here in Virginia during the months of April and May. Upon hearing their hatchlings nesting in a cavity 60 feet from our driveway, we decided to take a video to share with you. Little did we know just how amazing this video would become. The dedicated and cautious parents repeatedly shared the responsibilities of delivering meals and cleaning the nest cavity. Their male and female babies grew quickly and would become more curious of the world outside of their nest. The pileated woodpecker has a shy personality. Only the male has a full red crest extending all the way to his beak. The female has a shorter red crest stopping halfway. The male also has a red malar stripe on each cheek, which the female does not, making an easy way to distinguish them apart from each other. As we began filming in mid-May, the young continued to look anxiously around, anticipating their next meal. The winds became stronger throughout the second day of filming, and we questioned if we should return another day. However, our attention was quickly drawn to the adult female. She has found an unwelcome resident. Approximately 90 feet up in the gum tree and not far from her nest. The rat snake is not happy to be found, and the two keep watch of one another. We decide to move to a better filming location, and we miss the opportunity to film something incredible. In disbelief, we watched and our hearts sank. The rat snake was able to strike the female and had her hanging upside down. We hurried to get closer, yet unable to help. She was high above us, but then she struggled and finally broke free and flew to a nearby tree and rested silently. For several minutes we watched and waited, relieved that she wasn't seriously injured. The male pileated continued feeding their offspring, and we wondered what would happen next as the sun began to set. Next day, we were happy to find the female diligently bringing breakfast to her nestlings. However, over the course of the next 40 minutes, a relentless display of attacks would take place. We first noticed the male aggressively pecking the bark off of the gum tree, and then spotted the rat snake on a larger branch. The female joined her mate as though they had discussed a strategy during the evening and were even more motivated to battle the unwelcome resident. The pileated babies were completely unaware of what Mom and Dad were doing and waited patiently for their next meal. The defensive rat snake strikes back continuously and was able to get one of the male pileated feathers, as you see here. The battle carries on, and the day was perfect for filming. We both were filled with excitement at being able to capture such an amazing moment. Being outside has always been a joy to us, and we encourage others to spend time encountering God's creation and beauty. As the intensity grows and the attacks continue, the male and female tirelessly team up using their powerful beaks, attempting to dislodge the snake. In the next few minutes, the final chapter will come to a close. The male looks around the limb to ensure the job is complete, and they return to their duties of feeding, and I can't help but to wonder what will happen when they fledge.